we are starting the eagle. Okay, and first I'll let you know that I'm using eagle 7.7.0 version. You can get newer version on Autodesk website. The new version are cooler one. Type of this, so we have to work with this only. So first I'll click on new project, give the project name, then new schematic. Schematic means just circuit diagram. Okay, so we have to make a 555 blinking circuit diagram here. So we add by clicking over here. An option comes here. Okay, so we have to search it. Name is NE555. You click on OK. You will get. When you escape it, again the add menu comes in. Now we need registers, 3 registers. So we'll go to RCL. It's over here. Connected REU. EU stands for European, and you can choose the register according to the dimensions. Here it's, you can use 5 mm or 7.5 mm. I will use 7.5 mm dimension register. We'll add this one register over here, and here. Okay, now we need one capacitor. So I'll take capacitor and place this over here. Okay, so we can change the orientation of the component, like we can make it rotate also just by clicking, by doing a right click. I can see, you can do it from here itself. It's an option over here for rotate. I'll place capacitor here. Last component we need is just an LED. A lot of LEDs available here. So select any one of the LED and place it somewhere here. Okay, now you can move the registers or anything. So I want to move this capacitor and bring it to pin number 2, so I can bring it over here. Now we'll make the connections. You can see there's this tool called wire. You can connect it. Now if we have connected 6 pin to the register R2. Okay, we can change the shape of the line, but it is preferred to keep a 90 degree. Okay, so after every connection you must check whether your wires are connected properly or not. So when you click on show and then click on the wire, you can see that these 2 terminals are getting highlighted. This shows that there is an electrical connectivity between the pin 6 and the terminal of R2. Okay, so like this we have to connect all the other components according to the circuit diagram. Here I am referring this circuit diagram. Okay, so like that we have to make all of the connections. So I have done the connections, and we have to check each and every connection disconnecting. So this is our ground connection. We can see ground is connected to each and every pin over here. Then we have to add one last thing, that is junction box or a pin header. Pin head, we just needed 1x2 pin header for VCC and ground. cancel, connect it here. Okay, now let's see all are connected. It's a common ground and this is here. Okay, and this is how we have created our schematic. There are lots of tools available here, like you can copy components, then you can name it, like if you want it to be power supply, you can try a lot of tools that are available over here, like values. You can put values of R3s 10k, it will appear over here. So try all the tools, it's fun. And then the most important part is to check whether your connections are proper or not. Okay, so we have to click on this tool, that is ERC, or electrical rule check. It shows us error. Warnings can always be neglected, that it says saying it has no value or missing junction is in net, and we don't have any connections on pin number 5, so it's okay, so we can move. But I want to show if there is some error, and how can we do it, like if this pin is not connected, say, with the register. We do an ERC, or we remove this connection and we will do ERC. We find that this is an open circuit. Okay, so if you forget always to show one and see whether it's connected or not, you can replace it, and you have to just check for errors. Okay, you can see overlaps of what your it's okay. This is how you make your schematic.